So today's question, the first question is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial raised to power 3 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 raised to power 3 times 2 times 1. Now you can cancel these two with these two, so you are left with 4 raised to power 6 and 4 raised to power 6. So option C is correct answer. So the next question is, what is the area of the shaded region? These are the shaded region and you have to find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is area of the square minus area of the circle. Area of a square is 6 times 6, that is 36, and area of the circle is pi r square, and r is here 3. So 3 square is 9 pi, so 36 minus 9 pi. That means option C, B is the correct answer. We have to simplify this radical expression root 10 by root 30 times root 27. We can rewrite it as 10 by 30 inside the radical sign times root 27, which is 1 by root 3. You cancel these two, so root 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3, and root 27 can be written as 9 times 3 inside the root, and this is 3. 1 by root 3, 3 times root 3. So 3 and root 3 cancelled, so answer is 3. Option A is the right option. Solve for a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square gives you a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and when you further solve it, this and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled, and this is plus 2ab. So 2ab plus 2ab, which gives you finally 4ab, and ab is equal to 10. So answer would be 4 times 10 is equal to 40. So option C is the right option. So in this question, you can see the 2 digits ending with 1. So how to multiply these numbers really quick and fast? The answer is multiply this 1 and 1, you get 1. Then add this 6 and 3, 9, and then multiply these two numbers. 6 times 3 is 18, so answer would be 1891, that is 1891. Similarly, if you are asked to multiply 41 and 31, answer would be 1437, and 4 times 3, 12. I hope it is clear. What is the angle x, the value of angle x? So whenever you get a question on triangle, you just need to know the sum of the angle is always 180 degree. That is very important. So in this case, you can assume any of the angle as A, and this is 90 degrees. So angle A is 90, B is 2x, and C is x. The sum total is equal to 180 minus 90, you get 2x plus x, 3x equals to 90. So x will be equal to 90 by 3, that is 30. So x is equal to 30. Option C is the right option. Here you are required to find the square root of 0.81. The best method for such questions is change them into rational number. So that is 81 by 100, and which is inside the radical sign. So root under 81 by root under 100, which gives you 9 by 10. And finally your answer is 0.9. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.